Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. I have a new artist for you to present, Barham, Lie to Me. That's the title of the song. First time on Go On Guitar, and a little bit smaller on YouTube at least. I'm not that familiar with Graham. Anyway, a nice song, and everybody deserves some shine here on Go On Guitar. So let's take a look at the Lie to Me song. And he's in trouble there. You can look that up in the music video. Anyway, we're gonna handle this song with capo high up on the 6th fret. Why? Because we want the easiest chords possible and to match with the sound. So therefore, capo on 6. We have the A minor, F, C, and G. So let's go over the chords like we usually do. And A minor starts with open A, then second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F. It's a bar chord, so place any finger on the 1st fret and you push down all the strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be C. Okay, so C goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E, and then finally we have the G. Okay, so that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Alright, so that is the chord progression. It goes from the beginning till the very end. And we're going to look into the strumming, my interpretation of how to handle a chord in this song. And yeah, if we go back to the first A minor chord, it's a pretty long one. It goes like this. Okay, so we're going to start with down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. Okay, then comes down, up, down. And then clap, down, up. Okay, so if you put all that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so with some speed, you're going to play one of these per chord, and like I mentioned, the chord progression A minor, F, C, and G. Let's go for a couple of rounds together. Guys, so yeah, playing with the song Lie to Me, a nice song from Graham, and hope he produces songs like this in the future. Then we'll be back for sure. So thanks for watching, and if you're a fan of me, maybe Graham, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, and yeah, live happily ever after. Thank you so much, and play tuned.